Dying Niger, baby. Live right, forever live right.
Hi, I'm Titi from Diet Niger. If you're short of time but want to eat healthier without spending more, this course is for you. In 3 minutes, you'll learn practical steps to start eating smarter and cheaper today. First, planning. A simple weekly plan saves money and prevents poor choices.
Instead of buying a single lunch every day, plan 2 core meals for the week and rotate.
Buy in small quantities, but more frequently if storage is an issue.
Cook grains in bulk, rice, beans, yam, or millet, and repurpose. For example, boil a pot of beans, use for eba stew today, bean salad tomorrow.
Swap costly proteins for local, affordable options such as sardines, eggs, or akara, and combine with greens for balance.
Try this today. Plan 2 meals for the week, buy 1 seasonal vegetable, and cook a bulk staple.